conversation. Well, I put on my shoe. So, number one, what's good? The good thing is, my car is still alright, and it's our last paper today. So anyways, I'm writing my last paper. It's an afternoon paper, 2 papers in the afternoon. And anyways, we got some news on the exhaust pipe. So on Saturday, Uncle T's and I went to price and get a quote for the exhaust. So we went to flow state exhaust to machine jog. Right, so we went to Freestone or whatever the guy's name was. Then we got a quote for a welding, the rubber as well. Came up to 260, so we're like, okay. But then I found my father, this guy. Since he has a hard head, so he was like, so yeah, Andrew, I need a new silencer on that car. So anyways, the guy told me to park the car on the stand and everything. He jacked it up and whatever. Guy looked at it and he's like, you need a new system because the system is not systeming and systeming. And I looked at Dylan and the guy looked at me like, yo. So I said, okay, how much is this? Guy dead ass looked in my eyes and said, 4,000 rand. I said no, straight. I was like, no. We just want a new silencer, a welding, and then just the rubber. And he's like, okay. So this is 260 for the rubber and the welding together, it's one thing. Yeah. But then the silencer is about 2,000 rand. So I found my father, sure. Found Bali. The Bali says, Andrew, leave it. I was like, okay, sure. I asked the guy how much is the tailpiece, the 2 tailpieces, So he said, it's 1,100 rand. 1,100. So I'm thinking, if we can get a cheaper place and we install the pipe, it would be nice. But the 2,000 is still outstanding, but today I have some side missions. So I need to first take the hearse, which we call, it's a golf 4, but we call it the hearse because it looks like a hearse. So I need to take that to the electrician. He's gonna sort out some electrical problems. Then I need to come back and then go to Jason's. Don't worry, I won't ask him to sponsor me. So we'll go to Jason's, see what they say, and we're just pricing today in which way. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I need to just take this car and see what happens. So let's get busy. So chat, see, with a lot of patience comes good news, hey. So basically, we got good news on the exhaust pipe. So I went there. I'm going there now with my mother's car again to book my appointment. I'm going to book my car basically. I'm going to book my car. So the 1,000 something rand. Let me just say that 1,000. So this video will only be done as soon as that is done. So I have a big smile on my face, man. It's exciting, Finally, my car's gonna have a different sound, a different look, a different feel. Damn, whoever thought this was gonna happen? There's only something wrong with the car, but finally I won't be wasting so much petrol. And still, I need to try to figure out why my car gets so hot. Firstly, it's not overheating, but it's extremely hot. And I wish I had a temperature gauge, with me when I drive my car to show you. Because after a few, say about 20 minutes of driving, the car gets extremely hot. Then you can feel it through the front, coming into the car. So it's a matter of what it really is. To try speaking to a mechanic. But there's a lot of exciting things that are gonna happen with the car. So I think I recommend that y'all like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and let's get your boy to a big number of subscribers, and we get a sponsor from maybe Event Motors. Yeah, just say Jason's motor space. You know, we never know. It's another day, another dowl, and we wake up with a bigger old one. Anyways, it's 2 days from the last clip, so we got some good news. Today we're supposed to go ahead.
Go book the car in. My heart is low-key excited. You know, woke up excited.
I do.
Can't wait to, I have to be there at 8:30. So, firstly, there's no petrol in the car. As always, you know the story already with Andrew. There's no petrol in the car. That's the story. And finally, that petrol problem will come to an end. Because firstly, the exhaust pipe was actually was so much petrol. So, we're finally going to have a car that's going to have reasonable usage of petrol. So, I'm excited to say that today is the day we will leave that thing, and I'm excited. So,
Chat, I'm so sorry for no video for taking the car there. I was preoccupied with a lot of things. Even clean forgot about the video. But the car is dropped off here by this place. So it's a matter of what time they finish. I was supposed to go yesterday, but my father did not tell me, so now I'm low-key highly upset because this car could have been done by now. But let's wait and see what these people say and how the car looks. Low-key excited. The time has come. The time has come. Another day. Joking, guys. It's happening. It's time to fish the car. I'm excited. So it's a long walk for freedom. I'm gonna go fish my car.